our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Suzuki Ignis. What can we expect from this compact SUV? Let's explore together. First off, how accessible is information about the 2025 Ignis? As the launch approaches, Suzuki is ramping up its announcements. But where should you look for reliable updates? Check official Suzuki channels and reputable auto news websites for the latest specs and features. Are there any special announcements coming? Keep an eye out for sneak peeks and reveals at auto shows. Now let's shift gears to performance. How does the 2025 Suzuki Ignis handle on the road? Early reports suggest it maintains its fun-to-drive nature. But what about its engine options? Expect a range of efficient engines, including hybrid options. How does this impact fuel economy? Improved efficiency means more miles per gallon. Great for city driving and longer journeys alike. What can we expect from the interior? Will it be as practical as before? Absolutely. With a clever layout and quality materials, the Ignis aims to enhance comfort and usability. But how tech-savvy will it be? Look forward to advanced infotainment systems and safety tech. Can these features make driving easier? Yes. Features like lane keeping assist and smart navigation keep you connected and safe on the road. So what's the final takeaway for potential buyers? The 2025 Suzuki Ignis promises a mix of efficiency, performance, and modern amenities. Is it the right choice for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for tuning in.